Did you know that not all belly fat is bad for you? Yes, you heard that right. There's a surprising truth lurking beneath the surface. Some belly fat, known as visceral fat, can be harmful as it wraps around your internal organs. On the other hand, subcutaneous fat, which lies just under the skin, can be beneficial. Our focus today is on reducing the harmful belly fat, the one that's hidden deep within. Now that we have your attention, brace yourself for some food facts that could change your perspective on belly fat. You might be amazed to know that eating certain foods can actually assist in reducing belly fat. Yes, it's not all about sweating it out at the gym. Your diet plays a crucial role too. Let's talk about avocados first. They're not just delicious, but also packed with monounsaturated fats. Now don't be alarmed by the word fat. These are healthy fats that help to keep you feeling satiated, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, they're known to reduce abdominal fat, making avocados a win-win for your belly. Next up, eggs. They're a high-quality source of protein, which is essential for weight loss. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. And as your body works harder to digest protein, it burns more calories, thereby aiding in fat reduction. Now, let's talk about berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. They're all packed with antioxidants, which are known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. This helps your body function better, including improving your metabolism, which in turn aids in fat burning. Next on our list is green tea. It's not just a comforting brew, but a powerhouse of health benefits. The star of the show here is catechins, a type of antioxidant. Studies suggest that these catechins can help your body burn fat, particularly in the belly area. So sip on green tea throughout the day to reap its benefits. Last but not least, whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are high in dietary fiber. This fiber helps you feel full, reducing your calorie intake. Plus, it aids in digestion, which can help reduce belly bloating. And the best part? Whole grains are easy to incorporate into your meals, making them a convenient choice for a healthier diet. So the next time you hit the grocery store, you know what to load up on. Remember, the right food choices can go a long way in helping you achieve your belly fat reduction goals. Now that we've covered these belly fat busting foods, let's summarize their key points. We've learned that foods rich in soluble fiber, like oats, flax seeds, and legumes, can help you feel full and satisfied, while reducing the accumulation of belly fat. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and tofu can boost your metabolism and help burn fat more efficiently. We also discovered the power of polyunsaturated fats found in fish, nuts, and seeds, which can shift fat storage away from the abdomen. And let's not forget, fruits like berries and citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C, can aid in belly fat reduction. It's important to note, though, that these foods are most effective when incorporated into a balanced diet complemented by regular exercise. This combination is your best bet for achieving and maintaining a healthy waistline. Remember, eating right is not about depriving oneself, but about making healthier choices. So, go ahead and enjoy these belly fat fighting foods. Reducing belly fat doesn't have to be a struggle. A balanced diet and regular exercise are the unspoken heroes of maintaining a healthy weight and reducing that stubborn belly fat. Remember, the foods we discussed aren't magic bullets, but they can certainly aid in your journey towards a healthier you. So why not give them a try? You have the power to make a change. Start making healthier food choices today and see the difference it can make to your belly fat.